My name is JP. I'm the CEO and founder of Slerp, which is a technology company that helps hospitality businesses with online ordering. Before we started using Flowla, I think like many sales cycles, a lot of it was done through fragmented touch points. You could be using email and sending over a deck, using WhatsApp, phone calls, and you'd often lose consolidation of that information. So we were using our CRM, but we didn't feel there was a friendly partner-facing platform that would enable us to sort of consolidate that information, allow us to track the information and organize ourselves internally. Also, I can see a lot of benefit for Flowla even beyond onboarding into customer success, where essentially you can create rooms which start in the sales cycle, go through to onboarding, and eventually sit with customer success. So you have a constant place to have that information and track the life cycle of a partner as they progress to using Slerp. One of the huge benefits that we love about Flowla is the transparency, right? And the ability for us to see the engagement on the actual room. And it's a really big signal for us as to how likely a deal is to close. So it's ultimately a tool that organizes your business, gives clarity to the team, ensures that your prospects are seeing something sophisticated,